Hello dear students, my name is Rizwan and I am from Lucknow. Since long time I am getting messages, emails on my Instagram and Facebook because there are many parents who wanted me to make some videos in English for those students who are learning Spanish in their schools. So here I'm going to start a series. I'm going to use Vivo publication. These books are very nice for learning Spanish, especially for the kids. Because you can see they have so many books for exercise. This book is for exercise and for grammar rules. You will see some interactive sessions, interactive lessons. They have used some pictures, and my favorite thing, they are sharing with you this wheel, because they are verbs, and if you will put here like this, so you will see you can understand grammar rules in Spanish. In this interactive way you can learn Spanish. You can also visit in their page Vivo Education, because in their page you will see listening session also, because in Spanish not only you have to focus on your speaking, but also you have to improve your listening skills, because audios are very important. So in Vivo Education page, web page, you will see some audios also. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you alphabet in Spanish. Lesson number 1, alphabet in Spanish. You have to like my video and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon so that you can receive notifications for my upcoming videos. Also, if you want to join my online classes, so you have to download my application R Language School, and I can give you my courses for those students who want to learn Spanish and who wants to give exams in their schools. So guys, parents, don't need to worry. I'm going to help you. I'm going to solve your problem. I'm going to help to your kids so that they can learn Spanish in their home. And I recommend you to buy this book so that your student or your son can learn Spanish. So guys, let's start. Here I'm going to share page of lesson number 1. Here you can see there is a table. For example, we have English, we have Spanish, we have pronunciation, and also we have some examples. So you just need to repeat after me. In English we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So name of the alphabet, here we have a table. There are vowels A, E, I, O, U in English. In Spanish we say A, E, O, U. So in Spanish, A sounds like A, E sounds like A, and I sounds like E, and O sounds like O, and U sounds like U. Clear? For example, A, avión, A, avión. V sounds like B. So A, avión. E, elefante, elefante. And I, iglesia, iglesia. O, ojos, eyes. Eyes means ojos. I'm giving you an example also. And U, like universidad, universidad, universidad. Now let's read about consonants. Las consonantes. So B sounds like, in Spanish we say B, B sounds like B, and C or Se sounds like Sa. Che, C-H-E, it's a new alphabet. It's not available in English, you can see. So Che sounds like Cha, and de, D is de in Spanish, de. F is F, G is G, G, and H is H, H is mute. There is no sound of H in Spanish. J is Jota, Jota, and some of them say Jota as well. And K sounds like Ka, L sounds like L, L, G is G, H is H, J is hota, hota, or also you can say hota. K is ka, single L is ele, double L is elye, elye, M is eme, and there are two N. First N with mark and second N without mark. So without mark is na, and with mark above N there is this type of mark. Okay, we call enye, enye. And P sounds like P is pe, Q is ku, R is erre, erre, S is ese, ese, T is te, V is ube, and ube doble, ube doble. X is x, Y is y, y, and Z is zeta. Let's read with example. Be, barco, because it sounds like ba. Se sounds like sa also and ka also. So here is cielo, 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 and camel is camello. It sounds like ka, camello in Spanish. And che, sound of pronunciation of che is cha, and the girl in Spanish is chica, chica. And then de is da, and dedos, dedos means finger, finger. F is fa, football, football. G sounds like ha also and ga also. So girasol, sunflower is girasol, girasol. Okay, and J sounds like ga when we call gata, like cat, gata, G-A-T-A, gata. And then ache, there is no sound of H. For example, hotel will we can say in Spanish hotel, hotel. And if you have friend name is Hitesh, we say Itesh, Itesh. Okay, and then J sounds like ha and ha also. But when, for example, when J comes in starting, like here, hirafa, hirafa, hirafa. And when J comes between, like here you can say I is here top, like here we say ojo. When J comes between the word, then we will say, when J come between alphabet, then we will say ojo. It sounds like ha. And then ka, like kiwi. Okay, and then ele is like la, libro, libro. And elye, in some countries like Mexico, we will say llave, llave. And in Spain we will say llave, llave. Even in Argentina it sounds like sha, shave, shave. So make sure that. Okay, and next is me. Me is como media, media, media. Okay, and then n is naranja, and ñe is like niña, niña. P is sounds like pa, planta, plant is planta. And then Q is like queso, Q sounds like ka and queso. R sounds like ra, like reloj, reloj, reloj. And then S sounds like sa, like silla, chair is silla. And then T sounds like ta, is tarbuz. So tigre is not tiger in Spanish. In English we say ta, like ta, but here we will say tigre, tigre. Look at my lips, tigre. And then V is como ventilador, ventilador, ventilador. And W, windsurf, windsurf. So here V sounds like V is equal to B in Spanish. Okay, so ventilador, por eso. Okay, and then X is X, X. It sounds like sa. Here like xilófono, xilófono. And Y also have three sound like ya, ja, ya also, ja also, and sha also. Ya in Spain, ja in Mexico, sha in Argentina. Okay, like yoga. So in Spain we will say yoga. In Mexico we will say yoga. In Argentina, we will say shoga. Okay. Seta. It sounds like it's a middle sound between z and sa. So sumo, sumo, or someone say some of people say sumo, sumo. Okay. So here these are alphabet. I hope you understand. Please like to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my videos if you have any doubt. If you want to join my online classes, and you can just download my application, and I recommend you to this book. This is very nice book. In this book you can see it's written in English, also in Hindi, also with example, with images. So it's very nice book. You can use in your school or for your kids also. If they are very small, they can learn Spanish in their home. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye with lesson number 2.